Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll do some common phrases in German. So the first one is Hallo. It is like a casual hello in English. And the next one is Guten Morgen, which means good morning. Now, if you want to be more casual, you can just say Morgen. Now, Guten Tag, it means good day or good afternoon. Now, it is not used very casually, it is more of a formal thing. Next one, Gute Nacht. I repeat, Gute Nacht. Now you must have noticed it is G-U-T-E and not G-U-T-E-N like it's Guten Morgen and Guten Tag. It is not Guten, it's Gute. So Gute Nacht means good night. Now next one, Grüß Sie or Grüß dich. Now it is also a form of greeting, but Grüß Sie is used formally and Grüß dich is used informally. Now it is Auf Wiedersehen, it means goodbye, and Auf Wiederhören also means goodbye, but Auf Wiederhören is used when you are on phone. Now the next one is Tschüss, it's like a casual goodbye. So now if you want to take a screenshot of this slide, you can take it to refer to it later. And now we'll move to the next slide. Wie geht's dir? It means how are you? And wie geht's Ihnen? It also means how are you? But wie geht's Ihnen is used formally, whereas wie geht's dir is used informally. Now the reply to the above questions would be Es geht mir gut, which means I'm good, or Es geht mir schlecht, which means I'm not doing well. Now I've put these questions and statements in a conversation form so that you can get to know more about their usage. So, hallo, wie geht's Ihnen? Mir geht es gut, danke und Ihnen. Mir geht es auch gut. Now, bis gleich, it's like see you later, but it implies that you will be back again in a minute or two. Bis später, it means see you later, but it is used when you'll meet again after a considerable amount of time. Now, Hilfe means help, it is used to get assistance. Entschuldigung, it is used both as excuse me and to apologize. Now here's an example of usage of bis später. Hallo, sollen wir heute auf den Markt gehen? Ja, gerne, dann bis später. Now here we use bis später and not bis gleich because they'll meet after a considerable amount of time and not after a few minutes. Na klar, it means of course. Bitte, it means welcome. Now bitte has multiple meanings. Bitte means both welcome and please. Es tut mir leid. It means I'm sorry and is used to apologize. Danke or danke schön. It means thanks. Now here's an example. Kannst du bitte heute mein Auto waschen? Na klar. Danke. Bitte. Now in the first dialogue, bitte is used as please, and in the last dialogue, bitte is used as welcome. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching.